this I was already referring to in multidisciplinary. There is a big challenge. For example, when I started working into the mathematical sciences, I was not aware of the field of genetics, and I was doing research in statistical genetics. So I learned all the genetics myself. So whatever the multidisciplinary field you choose, you have to go deep into that so that you can understand their terminology. Unless otherwise you are not clear about their terminology, it is very difficult to carry out the research in multidisciplinary field. So that is the most important part. Secondly, whenever you write some papers, particularly in multidisciplinary, you always seek the help of experts. If something is not clear, seek their help so that they can guide you. Or if you are writing certain, say, 2 paragraphs relating to some other field, then you must check with the expert in that field whether you have written this properly or not. If you do such type of things, I think your paper can be improved and it can be published in a very good journal.